Yes, so guys, this is my bean flour. Yes, so I kind of mix the flour with some water. I wanted to make it earlier today, but I had a kind of emergency. I have to leave it to attend to it. So I just got back now. It's about I think 5 to 6 hours. Yes, now, and then my bean paste is still smells fresh and okay, because I kind of mix it, just add the flour and mix it with water before I left. So I kind of, the bean flour I used, this is my bean flour. I use like 3 cups here. So but if you want a video on how to make your own bean flour, please let me know at the comment section below, so I can teach you how you can make your bean flour. And this bean flour, as soon as you make it and wrap it, package it like this, it can last as long as 3 to 5 months, yes, without anything happening to it. So with your bean flour, you can make your own moi moi at any time. You can make your akara bean cake at any time. So this is it here, and I want to be adding some of the things I'll be using for my moi moi. And them this is chili pepper seeds, so that it won't hurt much, because I'll be adding this tomato paste to the moi moi to a kind of make it more colorful. As you can see, the color is not that very attractive, so you need some of these things to make the color of your moi moi so attractive. And this tomato puree is already contain pepper in it, so that's why I removed the seeds of this one, so that it won't hurt much, so that my kids will be able to eat it. If it's hot much, they will not be able to eat it. So this set, and I'm using some few scotch bonnets. This one, I think there are just 3 here. But if you're not using tomato paste that has pepper, you can add more to it. You can even use black pepper for it, so just to spice up your moi moi. And this the onion, purple onion, I'm using 1 onion. I just chop them into pieces, and I kind of blend it together. I'll kind of blend it a little first before adding this already dissolved bean flour. So let's blend. So you see how it's looking now, very colorful. So those are the things you will add to your moi moi to make it this color. So don't worry about maybe to say a bean cake, when you make a bean flour, it doesn't give you the nicest color you want. Simply add tomato puree and that chili pepper. It will give you a nice color that you want. So at this point, I want to continue seasoning this a half teaspoon of curry, 2 full tablespoons of crayfish. The crayfish is optional, but it's necessary. Crayfish is optional. If you don't have crayfish, don't worry yourself, use what you have. These seasoning cubes, I'm adding 3 seasoning cubes. So you can even add this to your blender, and you can add all of them to your blender and mix it. For me, I just prefer to some olive oil, nutmeg. I'll just use this side of my grater. If you get the powder one, fine, but I do not get the powder one. I'll just pick the seed. This some vegetables, chopped chili pepper and onions. Add more flavor and color. I love having vegetables. I'm having some bites of onions in my moi moi. It's still optional. If you like, you add it. And at this point, even if you're using egg, if you want to add fish, when you are dishing it, you can now add fish. So just stir it. If you have mixer, you can use mixer. If you don't have mixer, don't worry yourself. Use your spoon and stir it like this. So salt is the last thing to add to it. To be turning watery. So the moment I add salt, I'll start dishing it. This is so our moi moi is ready. How do you know that your moi moi is ready? Just by touching it, you feel it's strong. It's no longer as soft as it was when you put it. So the moi moi now is ready. I can just go ahead and turn off the heat and serve. As it is cooking, you might just adding little water. So I was adding it behind camera. Alright, let's have a taste. Okay, so let's open. You see how the foil rolled out of the moi moi because of that oil we applied on it. So if not for the oil, it will just stick on it and peel the skin. So here is my moi moi. Wow, this moi moi looks great. It looks really great and yummy. I think ooh. Try and get a thumbnail. Yeah, a delicious moi moi is ready. So just look at it. Wow. See the veggies inside. Of course, I would like to learn how we make this. Please keep watching and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. You can feel free to share your opinion on how to make your own moi moi with foil. With this foil. Wow, can you see that? So beautiful and amazing. Wow, this is so good, guys. I can't believe this. This is so good. One thing about learning to cook, Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again on my next video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscription button if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.